Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing another item from Chanel. I am eating my words. I said I would probably never buy anything from Chanel, and here I am on my third item this year, so you know, never say never. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, which is missing right now. I forgot it back on my table, so just shocked. Favorite fragrances, skincare, makeup, high-end luxury goods, which is what we're going to be talking about today. We're talking about another item from Chanel, and if you know, and I've mentioned this before, I had said I probably wasn't going to buy anything from Chanel, and here I am on my this is my second item from the boutique, not including makeup. So I have bought another small leather good, and this is actually by way of one of my friends. So I picked up what you saw in my first unboxings from Chicago, that lovely card case, and had been looking at a bunch of, tons of, there was so much eye candy, just so much there that I was just like, oh, maybe I want this too, or maybe I want this, and couldn't quite make up my mind. I'm just like, you know what, there was so much happening that weekend that I was just trying to I had to walk it back. I'm like, okay, I need to think about it. I definitely want the card case, but if I want to pick up anything else, I have the gal's card. I will, reach out and we'll go from there. Well, my friend purchased this item and several other things that weekend. We all were guilty of purchasing several things that weekend, and decided in the end that it wasn't going to work out for her. So rather than return it, she said, hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll sell it to you. And I'm just like, sold. Bring it my way. So she ended up shipping it over to me, and here we are. So this is definitely a thing I wanted after that experience, and I can't say I won't be purchasing anything else, but definitely not this year. Nothing more this year. And I'm probably gonna just play it slow until I know how these items wear, and then decide what else I may be purchasing, because I definitely like the leathers on the 19 collection, but I want to know, if caviar is probably the best way to go. So let me grab the item, and they shipped it over pretty much pristine from the boutique. So very, very lovely. Let me go ahead and slide this off. I love the little camellia. I used to have a camellia bush out front of my house up in Seattle. One of my favorite plants. So really nice box. Just sent over all the materials so that, if I had any problems or anything, I could take care of it. Really lovely Chanel tissue. Dust bag, and we have a little Chanel case, and it still has the little tags on and everything. Oh, it's just so soft. It's very soft. It's very, I don't know why I thought the card case is definitely stiffer, I guess is the word I'm looking for, but I'm guessing it's just the seams and the rigidness of the case. Maybe there's some additional facing or whatever inside that makes it a little bit stronger. This is just really malleable. I'm really surprised that it's as soft as it is. But black gold hardware, the burgundy interior, which again, if you remember, the whole reason why I bought was to go with my Fendi Peekaboo, which is hiding behind. Caleb's back there. Hi, Caleb. And it goes with Caleb's Peekaboo too. So, I mean, I might be wearing it there. So this is the small case, black burgundy, $625 is the retail price. Is there anything else? Classic mini pouch, gold, but the little accessory. I, again, needed an excuse to take out my Fendi more often, and this is perfect. This is made in Spain. Looks like this is where the little date code flap is right there. News to me, I didn't really know. So this is definitely larger than my clay, my Vernis clay from LV, but not that much larger. It will definitely hold quite a few more items. Definitely a heck of a ton of cards and stuff, but it's more of a catch-all, you know, for small items. You can't get a lip pencil in here, but you can definitely get a lipstick, a small lip gloss. I have some small Jeffree Star lip liquid lip. Oh my god. Jeez. Those or like a small perfume, trial size vial, that kind of thing in here, Advil, what have you. So just your little catch-all type of card case. I have my key holder, so I don't foresee myself buying a Chanel key holder because I really like my LV ones, so I don't think I need a Chanel one. But you know what, I'm not, again, never say never, because I'll have it next week. If I say never, so I'm not gonna say it. But it's just a really cute little card case. Really excited to have one more item in my collection. It's a very classic caviar leather. It's definitely worth the price. Very soft, very nice, very well made. I think the seams look pristine on it, so very happy with that. Thank you, my friend, for can't wait to go shopping with you again. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna get tons of use out of it, and I'm really excited to have a few of these items in here. I'm wearing today, as a side note, my Chanel items I got on the trip. Let me put this down. So I'm wearing my highlighter stick. I'm wearing the lippy from this, and I can't remember which set this was. I'll insert the, oh, hello, never mind. Box is right here. Easy Come, Easy Glow set from Nordstrom's is where I got this set. I got the lip glosses from the boutique itself, but Nordstrom had the white bag, which is what I wanted. And I'm ordering the converter kit. You have to punch a hole in each side to do it, so I'm kind of hesitant to do it, but you know what? Why the heck not? Try it out. So I hope you enjoy my little journey of eating my words and coming on a Chanel train and buying some more products. So we'll see what else I end up picking up and making excuses for and, and indulging myself on. So if you have any recommendations and what you think would probably be another good addition in the SLGs, let me know. Again, I don't want to say no on the key holders, but I have so many of the LV ones. It just seems unwise to pick something up, but you know, you never know. Yeah, you never know. Thanks for coming along. Hope everything is going well where you are. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. I will talk to you soon. Take care.